So I decided to split this video into parts. First part was getting too long, and I kind of wanted to break off the second video to be more about the fun stuff. One's going to be a bit shorter, but it's more of the fun, cool, creative stuff and less of just walking through the video mixer. How could I not talk feedback? So the way this is set up at the moment, 3 trends RGB plus C is over here. It's going into channel 2. We have 2 outputs. One output goes to my computer to record a direct out, and then the second output goes to the portable VJ rig down here. The only thing I'm really using down here is the Eddie Roll V4 mixer. That's some straight feedback, kind of not quite what you'd expect from if you've seen the Eddie Roll V4 vid. The feedback is not quite as harsh and colourful. It's got a much softer kind of tone. Of course, we can apply a bit of effects to that feedback. Some nice kind of weird side-scrolling stuff. We can, of course, have this in our feedback pass, have a superimposer in our feedback pass. You can see the kind of nice smears that I'm getting here. There's a little bit of a jutter, a little bit of a that's happening in the feedback. Yeah, it's feeling nice.
Nice.
Flip those, yes. Let's see if I can make this all horizontal. Here we go. Now we're talking. So what I'm doing here, I've got the 3 trends RGBS providing the outsides. As I pan out, so that's all the video synth. I've got it all set up for horizontal lines. There's a bit of disturbance stuff here. And now what's happening in the middle here is the feedback. And like I said, I've got the V4 down here that is mirroring the feedback. And so the feedback is folding in on itself. So kind of folding in on itself here. Let's see if I can get something with. Here we go. We set this to only the title. No. Yeah, there we go. So here, superimpose fade controller set to affect only title. So that means I'm able to fade the amount of title that is in there. Let's get something white. I want something that's gonna Try to find something good here. So source 1 is the feedback. Yeah, here we go. Yes, here we go. So now my feedback channel, when it reaches a luminance level around here, it is becoming purple, which of course, because it is in a feedback path, is then affecting itself. You can kind of see as I turn the color knob, we start to introduce some more interesting colors into it. And of course I can control how much that happens with this fader down here. So let's get a good zone. All right. Let's see if I can jam this a bit. So that's about everything for the Panasonic digital production mixer WJMX-10. These things are beautiful. Compared to other stuff in the MX series, they're nice and cheap. I mean, I guess that is all a relative kind of level. Yeah, I guess cheap is a relative thing depending on what your budget is, obviously. How much they go for online? I don't know. I can't check. I'm using my computer to record the video out. So I'll probably just overlay it somewhere on the screen so we can see it. Really nice, really beautiful, really tough. I've heard stories of this particular unit falling off trucks, falling off staging, and just being sweet, which I'm very into. Tough gear. One thing I forgot to mention across the front is your phone's mic input and also the Tyler input. I'm not really sure what else to say. Maybe I'll just stick some more jam stuff on the end. Let me know. Have you got one of these? Have you got something else in the MX series that you're a bit of a fan of, that you think is a cool kind of video tool that you're using to make exciting, sexy video art and VJing stuff with? If you do, let me know. Leave a comment. Tell me what you're up to. Till next time.
Is all this pleasant or unpleasant? Or aren't these the right words?
What is pleasant or unpleasant? Doing isn't pleasant or unpleasant. It's too beautiful. It's having you thinking. And can't you feel it? Everything is so beautiful and lovely and alive. You shouldn't say anything about anything not being alive. This is reality.